So now we are going to plot the cumulative curves. To do that, we need to calculate some measures. First measure is to calculate the cumulative plan. Cumulative plan equal to calculate sum of, I will take the plan units from escort table plan. And in case, instead of using filter function, I will simply use weak, escort table weak less than equal to max of escort table 2. What it will do, it will keep on adding the total. I mean, it will be acting as a running total. Okay. So if I want to check whether this formula is working correctly or not, since it's a measure, I cannot see the value directly. To check the value, I need to use table visual. Let's see. So here I will take a table visual, add the data here. First data will be week. Let me change the hierarchy here. Now, since I have calculated plan, I will take the plan value here. I don't need total in this case here. So from the format, I will remove the totals. And here I will take cumulative plan. So let's see. On 31st October, it is showing 10. And then 7 November is 20, then 30, 38, 48, and so on. Keep on going on. And last, we are getting 2673, what we have seen in the total. So actually the formula is what? Now in the same way, we can measure the cumulative actual. Let's do that. So selecting a measure. Cumulative actual equal to calculate sum of actual. It will be from escort table actual, comma, week, escort table week less than equal to max of date, max of week. Now let's see whether this formula is giving me the correct figure or not. First, I am taking the actual. So my cumulative actual is gone into this wrong table. Doesn't matter. See this. Now it is not giving me the correct picture as per my requirement, because I want this cumulative actual to be restricted up to the last date of the actual. That is 24th April. After 24th April, it should be 0, or it should be not 0, but it should be blank. There should not be any data here. But it is taking the last figure. So to avoid this condition, we need to create some kind of filter here. So we can get rid of this portion. I can see that after this 24th 11, there is no value of actual. So can we write it in such a way that if actual is greater than 0, only then cumulative actual will be calculated. Otherwise, it won't be calculated. So to get this filter or the condition, let us say condition, I am using double ampersand sum of actual, that should be from escrotable actual greater than 0. Let's see. It should be like this. And I guess there's space issues there. Yeah. What happened? Oh, sorry. See. So this actually is already restricted.